ang sequestration rate mo yan pareho. In fact, globally ngayon, sa UN ang usapan, if you put a carbon sink, if your plant is in New York, you put a carbon sink in Amazon, that's still the same. That is the base new UN concept. So dito naman, if there is the reduction of sequestration in value, and you put the carbon sink in let's say, Payao, that will still be the same, so long as the capacity to sequester is the same.
Ako lang, was there a specific study done for this area? The equivalent compensatory action to be taken?
I think na sa ECC, I don't know kung tinatinagal nila, but somehow madali i-compute yung 182, napakaliit po eh. I think within 2 days, we can give you the figures.
Ako lang, will SMB committed, whatever the result of the study is, whatever compensatory requirements as determined based on that study, will SMB willing to do it?
Or even exceed.
Even more, at minimum.
In-exceed nila. They are willing to exceed.
Hindi, wala pa yun meron.
50,000, you see. What is required by DNR is 5,000 plus, and PISM is committing 50,000. That's what the...
We just had the step one, but I just wanted to emphasize that we're very sincere about the whole project. It's not really just a one-sided game or what is good for SM. It's really something that we felt we could give back and really be very proud of SM in Baguio City. But I'm still very, very hopeful about it to progress on.
Ang napagkaisa nyo lang ay ocular inspection.
Yes, ocular inspection kasi nga naniniwala tayo na we cannot have a dialogue kung may nagsisinungaling na isang parte. Ngayon, we will know whether they're really sincere, partly on the basis of whether or not totoo yung sinasabi nila na nag-earthfall sila or hindi. So,
Sana kung makita nila na totoo na yung nireport ng PISM, I hope that it will be the start of the continuing dialogue for all the parties to resolve this in a win-win solution. Ang hirap ngayon yung nangyayari, na politikahan pa yan. So, hindi na yung issue talaga yung tinututukan eh. Ang dami yung misleading and misinformation.
It's more like a presentation of one side with government agencies justifying that presentation. I thought it was going to be a dialogue where both possibilities will be explored. Matutuloy ba o hindi ba itutuloy? It seems like the whole thing was all about our government justifying kung bakit patutuloy itong proyekto na to. It wasn't a dialogue.